Let me just drink some more.
If you don't, we leave now.
Yes. No, half past.
Okay.
Yeah. Move out of the way.
If you do it tomorrow.
Wait, can I record this?
Dude, I'm not going to get this. It's not heavy enough. Yeah, I got on my seat, that's what I was going for. Right, done. Yeah, hang time. Bam. Okay, math time. We'll go till half and then you're getting out here.
What? Half? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, because I feel so sad for your patheticness. Yeah. Okay. Next.
All four of us, the dumpling girls.
Where are we at?
This was the funniest. You're so confident about it. The straw is in, the cup is out.
Alright, next lesson. So if you can write this down. Improper partial fractions. Yeah. Guys, can you write this down, please? Write the name down, Lee. Faisal and Lee, please, just write this down. Thank you.
We can sleep instead.
I'm actually okay with that. Right, so last time we saw how to do problems with partial fractions, and we saw a couple of techniques when we have problems. Like, for example, when the when the factor is repeated, when you don't have enough factors, what can we do? You can use the square, remember? And some basic rules. The top should be 1 power less than the bottom, and the top one constant less than the bottom. Some basic rules that worked actually pretty well. And we had 3 methods for finding the constants. We had the method where we make the equations, the method where we use the values for x, and the method where we cover up. Now, what is different about these problems compared to the problems we did last time?
The numerator has a higher power.
Yes.
than the denominator.
Numerator has a higher power. So, in most cases 1 power higher, although there are some examples when the powers are the same. Like here. These are called improper partial fractions. Improper. So let's do the first one together as an example of what to do. Can you just write the question down and then I'll do it? Please write down 1A. I'm going to do it. What's wrong?
Can't read it.
2x cubed minus 7x squared minus 14x minus 23 over x squared minus 4x minus 5. Alright. So let's have a look at what to do here. What was it? 2x cubed
minus 7x squared.
Yeah.
Minus 14x.
Minus 14x.
Minus 22.
Yeah.
Over x squared minus 4x minus 5.
Okay, well the first thing we'll do is a long division, because have a look at this. Suppose I said I had 100 and I wanted to divide it by, let's say, I don't know, well maybe not 100, let's say 105, and I divide it by 25. That goes 4 times and the remainder is 5. Yes? You can say 105 equals 25 times 4 plus 5. In other words, this is equal to this, multiply this one, plus the remainder. Do you get the idea? You can do the exact same thing here with a long division. Let's see what happens. X squared minus 4x minus 5 divided into the cubic here. This will not take long. What do I have first? 2x. 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x? No. Minus? No. No.
Yes.
Bad teacher. For the next one. Minus 8x minus
Square.
10x. And minus here? X squared minus 4x. And then here? Minus 23. And next? 1. So you have x squared minus 4x minus 5. And what am I left with here? Minus 18. Yes? So, my trick earlier was to say that this here is equal to this multiply this plus that one. So what I can do here is change this to x squared minus 4x minus 5 times 2x plus 1 and then minus 18 all over x squared minus 4x minus 5. Now you might say, well, what was the benefit in doing that? Yes, because now what I can do is I can change this into x squared minus 4x minus 5 times 2x plus 1 over x squared minus 4x minus 5 minus 18 over x squared minus 4x minus 5. That equals 2x plus 1 minus 18 over x squared minus 4x minus 5. So I've changed my improper problem into a proper problem with this extra piece. What are you shaking your head for? This should be going, you should be like,
Yeah.
Okay, too much, not believable. What's with the head shake?
And you call it? It's improper. The proper is not easy. The improper. It's improper and not nice.
No, it is. Right, so now what we do next. Yes. So let's do that quickly as a revision. Omar, please don't interrupt me. So, let's look at this now on the side. So 18 over, what will this be? X minus 5, x plus 1. So this is equal to A over x minus 5 plus B over x plus 1. So you get 18 equals A x plus 1 plus B x minus 5. If I make x equal to 5, I get A is equal to 3. And then if I make x equal to minus 1, I get B equal to 3 as well. Yeah, but with a minus, is it? Yeah? Yeah, with a minus. So now, if I go back to my question, for one, this is what we did yesterday. So if I go back to my question, this equals 2x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 5 minus 3 over x plus 1, wasn't it? So now my final answer is 2x plus 1 minus 3 over x minus 5 plus 3 over x plus 1. I can't even find where my question was. Here it was here. So what I've managed to do is I've managed to go from this improper into this partial fraction. Now you might be wondering, what's the benefit in doing that? Well, the benefit is This is horrendously difficult to integrate. This is extremely easy to integrate. I don't know if you were shocked or what. What? Yeah, you agree? Yeah. Okay. So what we'll do now is we'll do one more, and I want you to try it, and then I'll give the answer, and then we'll finish. Okay? Yes. You need me to zoom out more? Oh no. What do you need me to do? Go to the right?
Yes.
To what? Like
Yes.
here. Guys, I know these are long and difficult, but you also need to be practicing these at home as well, because tomorrow we have a tutorial. Right, Fawn?
How can you find the A?
Good question. That's what we did yesterday.
You only give it equals 5.
Yeah.
You just type in.
Sub in.
I'll do this and complete this.
Guys, can we give you one to try now? Do you have this?
So tomorrow's
Please, you can hold hands after class.
tomorrow's math lessons. Tomorrow's math lessons. Their work tutorial.
No, one tutorial. Do you want 2 tutorials?
We never have to tutorials. We never will.
Don't alter the timeline.
Please try B.
One of the ones from further down.
Okay.
T. Yeah, because they're the same power.
Yes.
Not even numbers. I think this one.
T.
T.
Yes, I think maybe you're right.
Yeah. Can you add 0 x or?
Yes.
No, you can, but don't.
You don't need to for
It would
T.
be proper if you do it.
No, it won't. It'll be fake proper, not real proper. Schmopper, not real.
But when it's work.
No. Try T, I'll do T, then we'll go. Do you act like such idiots for your other teachers, or do you reserve that pleasure for me? Because you can feel like you can be honest in front of me. It's okay. Stephen won't judge us. We can be stupid. Like, just tell me. Like, for example, in Lorraine's class, would you be this stupid?
You want the truth?
Yeah, give me the truth.
I don't like her as much.
As much as... But are you this stupid?
I don't feel like...
And I don't mean stupid in the offensive way. I mean stupid as in the I'm going to beatbox in class way.
I'm not as comfortable with her as I am with you.
Clearly.
Because yesterday she was like, why are you guys looking all upset? Did you get a bad news? This is just an example.
Yeah.
She was like, I don't know, she was saying tired, I said bored. And she's like, well, I'm not your showgirl, so you're obviously in the wrong place. I'm like, that's really inappropriate to say. And she said it with all of her heart. Like, I'm not your showgirl, so what?
Yes, I think I'll use that line sometime.
No, see, if you use it, I will reply nicely.
I'm going to save that line for a special occasion, okay? One class in the future, I'm going to say it.
We'll make it big and special day.
Yes. Okay, how are we doing here?
can you have negative powers while...
Oh dear,
no.
something went wrong. What went wrong?
You divide by the first term every time, right?
You forgot how to divide? How to divide wrongly.
Okay, since dude in the corner got negative powers, maybe I should just do this one.
Martin.
You get it? Right guys, I'm going to do this one, please watch carefully. So what do we do first? We long divide.
Divide wrongly.
Or, if you prefer, divide longly. So, 16x cubed plus 44x squared plus 52x plus 21 divided into 16x cubed plus 104x squared plus 164x, sorry about that, plus 94. So what do I have here? 1. 16x cubed plus 44x squared plus 52x plus 21. What's that? 60x squared?
60x squared, 112x, 173.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, 94. I have 194. 73, yeah. That's it, that's your remainder.
That's it. You kept going.
That's why you got the negative power. Okay.
So, this is equal to 1 times 16x cubed plus 44x squared, and just to save effort, I'll just write plus dot dot dot. And then what's the remainder?
60x.
Plus, and then you have the 60x squared plus dot dot dot, all over 16x cubed plus 44x squared plus dot dot dot. And then this, again, the same thing happens. So what are you left with here? 1 plus 60x squared plus dot 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 over 16x cubed plus 44x squared plus dot dot dot. Now, we have to look at this problem separately. So, let's hope that this cubic has factors. Can you just read the cubic back to me? What is it? Mod 54. 16. Yeah, and then next. 44, and next.
52.
Okay, so the first factor is 4x plus 3. And the second factor is none. So what does that mean?
Long divide again.
Divide longly againly. Right. So, 4x plus 3 divided into 16x cubed plus 44x squared plus 52x plus 21. So what's here?
4x cubed.
Squared. So that's 4x, 16x cubed plus, help me out here.
Yes, 1 squared.
Oh, sorry. 12x squared. Subtracting 32x squared plus 52x plus 21. Next. 8x. 32x squared plus 24x, leaving me with 30 what? 28x. Yes?
How's it?
Yeah, plus
7.
28x plus 21. Great! So now, this is equal to 1 plus, and what was that? 60x squared over, and then this is 4x plus 3 times 4x squared plus 8x plus 7. Sorry, what was on the top? 60x squared plus 112x plus
73.
plus 73.
Yes.
Right, so now we have to look at this problem on the side. So this here is equal to A over 4x plus 3 plus, and what's on the top here? Yeah, what is it?
Yeah.
Bx plus c. So we'll do our trick and we'll end up with 60x squared plus 112x plus 73, oh my goodness, equals A times 4x squared plus 8x plus 7 plus Bx plus c times 4x plus 3. Right, calculator times. Let's do this quickly. So what do we have for x first?
1 to the 12 plus 1.
I haven't forgotten about the 1. I'm just looking at this part separately, and then I'll put it back in with the 1. So I'll leave a space. Is that good for you, Lee? Right. Okay, so what do I use first for x? Yes, and what will this give me? No, you know what? We don't have to do it. I know how to use the calculator. So this gives me, what does it give me? A. Right, so what should I use next for x?
1.
No.
0.
Yes. And this gives me?
B.
No.
C.
Yes. And what should I use lastly for x? 1, and this gives me? Goodness sake. Right, so we have A, C, and B easily from this. Yes? So if we go back, we can put in the A, the B, and the C, and then we have our answer here. Yeah. Now these questions are extremely long. The good news is they're obviously section B questions, and you get a lot of marks for this. Okay? When you include the integration, you get 10 marks for this. That's 10% of the exam. That's a full grade. Yeah? And before you go, please, I stress again, I'm not checking up on homework or giving you homework. It's important for you to be practicing these, especially these hard ones. Yes? No, you can get the video later.